This POLYMAKER CosPLA 1.75mm filament is tailored for cosplay makers, with a surface that sands down smoothly to hide layer lines and prep for finishing work. Once sanded, the filament takes primer and paint very evenly, which makes it easy to achieve crisp details and convincing metallic or weathered effects on props and armor pieces. Prints made with the version B formulation feel noticeably tougher than standard polylactic acid, so thin edges, spikes, and costume parts stand up better to handling and transport. On a well-tuned printer, the filament feeds reliably with minimal stringing or warping, giving clean layers and sharp features, even on intricate models and costume accessories. The 5 kg spool is wound carefully to avoid tangles and ships dried in sealed packaging, which helps maintain consistent extrusion over long print runs for large props. The filament is supplied on a sturdy cardboard spool and box, which is easier to recycle than plastic packaging and fits well with a more environmentally conscious workspace.